If you've ever seen a donkey kicking in the air, maybe they're doing some ab work. Who knows? So what we're going to do is we're going to replicate that against a wall. So you're going to be standing about 2 feet in front of a wall, leaning down, pressing your palms on the floor, and kicking up to the wall, tapping off, coming down 20 times. It's a rapid movement, but you also don't want to, you want a sturdy wall because you don't need a hole in your wall. So just slight taps down, tap down, and you're really working your core. You're having to support yourself, so it's good arm work and shoulder work. So enjoy wall taps.